Oh la la!
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm here in King Ulises' salon and we are ready for yet another great episode.
Yes, I called Hassan. Great model, good looking guy.
Yes.
He says looking shit.
Is he on the phone right now?
He's on the way now.
He's on the way? Yeah,
yeah.
he just called you, right?
Yeah.
So I think we should go outside and see if he's on his way, right? Good to see you, man.
Good to see you.
You're ready to have a big hair transformation?
Really ready to get a haircut right now.
Go inside.
You mind taking off your cap?
Oh, of course, of course. see this hair?
There's so much potential here. I think Ulises, you can do something really great here.
Come inside. Oh la la!
What a haystack. Right behind me, Ulises is working his magic and Hassan is in the chair. And we talked about he's a professional singer and he wanted to sing a little piece. Are you up for it, Hassan?
Well, I don't think I have a choice then.
So I'll hold the mic. Go on, man.
I don't know what to sing though, but like, said I like I'm like freestyling right now. I don't know what to say right now, but I'm saying what's on my mind.
Wow, that's really good, man. It deserves some likes. Hit the like button if you like that. All right, you're really good, man.
Thank you very much.
How far away from the final result are we?
Almost done.
Almost done.
Yes.
Finalizing the small details. ASMR mode. You like that? Oh, that sound. That's crispy sound of hair being cut. Last year, we had so many views on the ASMR videos.
Might last forever.
Right now the hairstyle is done. You look amazing, Hassan.
Thank you all. Thanks to Ulises over here.
You did an amazing job.
Thanks. I think this is the next picture for your Tinder dating.
For my Tinder. It's gonna go wild. It's gonna go wild.
The haircut, I'll call a little bit, is a tapered fade with a classic hairstyle in the top, like a, you know, the superhero, Superman. Cool.
I think it looks really good. We would like you guys to comment down below and let us know what you think about this hairstyle, and also give us new ideas for next time. And if you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button, give the video a like and share it with your friends. See you guys next time.
Nul.
Nul? Altså det hele væk, eller hvad? Hvad siger du?
Ja, nul.
Nå, en øl? Så slags, vil du have en 0?
Classic hairstyle in the top, and I use these curls again, just scratch it, not scratch it.
Yeah. I'm not sure is it called
Could I call it scratch it like a cat?
scratch?
It's not a cat, you know.
Okay. but it's right on the tip of my tongue. It's like your finger grab it.
Yeah.
You get in there.
I mean, you have been
I have to Google
You've been this
Translate
game like 10 years now.
Scratch it around, maybe.
Yeah,
That's
you know.
scratch it.